Good morning, brothers. Welcome to the Brown Bag Gentleman. Got the glasses on so I can do a little reading because we're doing an unboxing per se. It's just got back from the store and wanted to share a few things that I saw there and picked up. So we'll be trying next week. So just to give you a little heads up, found this brand at CVS. We talked about the Walgreens having the Gillettes. Well, we found this Goodline brand of basic butterfly razor at CVS. So if you give this a shot, it's still sealed. So let's break that seal. There we go. What we got here? Let's see what this thing looks like. I mean, it's not expensive. It was like $15 with tag, or $14 and change. Oh, it comes with blades too. I didn't know that. Okay. All right, comes with a little plastic. So that's just chrome shiny, I guess. Just a cheap little. Oh, kind of digging the looks of the handle's kind of cool. Not sure how much grip it'll give you, but looks kind of cool. Not a bad looking razor for like $15 price frame tag there. Of course, butterfly. Looks like your basic Gillette-ish type of thing. Opening it up, see that's what it looks like. I'm sorry, get it over where you can see it here. Sorry, I'm trying the landscape layout here really for the first time video. I did a test video yesterday, and so I had somebody comment that, because I have been using just a regular, it's on my cell phone. You're on my Note 10 cell phone, so it's a year-old cell phone. But yeah, it's shiny as all get out. Look how shiny that is. Guys and shiny stuff. Shiny like chrome mufflers on my Harley. Yeah. Cute little razor. And actually more heft than I thought there would be. I thought it'd be real cheapy, especially for the price. But no, actually, it doesn't feel bad. It actually balances out. Look at that. It even balances right. Look at that. It balances perfect. That's right where you're going to hold it. At least that's where I'm going to hold it. So yeah, it's got good balance. It's not head heavy. Kind of impressed for initial looks. Let's see, it came with, I don't know how many are in that package, but it came with some blades. I didn't know it came with any, so I picked up their little package, figured, okay, we'll try that. And this is a pack of 10. It was like $7.29, so about 72 cents a piece, which is kind of expensive. Of course, when you're used to buying them by 100, where the most expensive ones are like 30 to 35 cents, then yeah, that's a little pricey, but that's for 10. It's like, yeah, you economies of scale, as it were. Taught us that in economics class. And then because I was there, I also bought the single edge ones because I've been itching to use my G-bar razor again. So here's something different to try in the G-bar. So G-bar is the only razor I have that takes these blades. So it's a little something different to try in there. But and the thing that really got me for trying this brand, because I looked on the back, distributed out of Concord, New Hampshire. So it must be wicked good stuff. All you from New Hampshire will appreciate that. So yeah, so kind of something new to try. We'll be trying that next weekend. So probably next Saturday or Sunday, whatever day I end up recording the shave video. But I'm kind of already excited to use that thing. Kind of liking that. Not bad for $15. And so if you've never tried DE shaving, we'll see how it actually shaves. It could be horrible, or it could be fantastic, or somewhere in between. Probably somewhere in between. So we'll give this a shot. I haven't found this style of razor to be horribly aggressive. I mean, the Gillettes to me are tick too mild. The Schick I actually like. I have the Schick, butterfly style razor too, which I actually like. It's my favorite butterfly to use. Other than like the Fat Boy, but that's adjustable, so that's different. But the non-adjustables, yeah, I'll take the Schick hands down over the Gillette any day for the butterfly style heads. But yeah, we'll see how this thing does. I don't know who it's distributed out of New Hampshire. I'm assuming it's Asian made of some sort, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, yeah, looking at it close up, yeah, it's not bad. I'll put it that way. It's just your basic pot metal, I'm sure, but it's okay. It's like I feel like there's like almost like a little extra little like almost like there's a wash or something there that the squeeze against, which is actually be a good thing. So it's like it snugs down well, and there's no blade in it, but I'm feeling that it does feel like it's snugging down. That's not just going to loosen up really easy. Yeah, so I had to give a little effort to undo that. So yeah, I'm impressed with that too, because I find it very annoying when the razor just kind of comes loose, or the head, if it's a 3-piece and the head just starts spinning off on you, it's like, wait a minute, I'm mid-shave here, what's this going on? So that's another reason why I bought gaskets too, so I can put it in those razors when that happens as well. But yeah, so far, first impressions, yeah, kind of liking it, and looking forward to the shave. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing to see what we're gonna play with next weekend. Go with God.